In the year of the global recession that influenced the crypto market as well, it's important to choose a platform that provides you with different options to earn rewards. You must have heard a lot about crypto staking and how popular it is these days, but it is crucial these days not to limit yourself to a single way to earn crypto coins. In this review, we'll be going over a MyCointainer platform offering a variety of tools for crypto traders, investors, and stakers. Operating since November 2018 and currently with over 150 coins on offer and good functionality organized in a simple and beginner-friendly platform, MyCointainer seems like a decent competitor of some of the best-known crypto exchanges. But is MyCointainer legit at all? How do we know? The platform has recently renewed its license by the Estonian Financial Intelligence Unit to support a safe and transparent community for crypto trading. MyCointainer crypto platform. Stay calm and watch your portfolio grow. MyCointainer reviews a popular view that earning crypto is limited to a group of insiders who know. The platform was created to help beginners who want to invest in crypto earn great profit. And this crypto provider truly walks the talk. No need to spend hours to figure out how to stake tokens on the platform. You'll be guided through a quite transparent process to get to your rewards. Staking has never seemed easier to me. At first, it was so simple that I even had doubts if I did everything. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.